Cyrus the Thirsty Crow.
The sun was a giant golden coin in the sky, heating up the city pavement until it shimmered. Cyrus the Crow flapped his wings slowly, landing on a green park bench. "Whew, it is a scorcher today," he croaked, his throat feeling as dry as old leaves. He looked around for a puddle or a fountain, but everything was bone dry.
Suddenly, something sparkled. Someone had left a tall, clear sports bottle on the bench. Cyrus hopped over. There was water inside. Cool, clear, refreshing water. But alas, the water was all the way at the bottom, and the neck of the bottle was too long and narrow. Cyrus tried to reach his beak in. Clink! But he couldn't reach a single drop. Cyrus tried to push the bottle over with his wing. It was too heavy. He tried to grip the edge and tip it, but the smooth plastic was too slippery. It is no use, he thought. I will dry up like a raisin if I don't get a drink soon. He sat on the bench, tapping his beak, looking around for a better answer. "Think, Cyrus, think," he muttered. His eyes landed on a planter nearby, filled with smooth, clean, white pebbles. An idea sparked in his mind like a light bulb. "Aha! I know physics," he chirped. He picked up a pebble in his beak and flew back to the bottle. Plop! The pebble sank and the water rose just a tiny bit. "It is working," Cyrus called out to no one but the wind. He flew back and forth, plop, splash, plop. One by one, the stones piled up at the bottom. Slowly, magically, the cool water began to rise higher and higher and higher. It was like the water was climbing a ladder made of stone just to meet him. Finally, the water reached the very top. Cyrus dipped his beak in. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Cool, sweet relief. He splashed water over his face and shook his feathers. "Brain power is better than wing power," he chirped. He sat proudly on the bench, refreshed and ready for whatever the hot day brought next.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe.